Welcome to Van Meter Elementary. It's Friday, so we have an SOS Friday. This is called Serving Our Society. This is a 5th grade class. At this station, their job is to clean up 3 separate yards. We had trash in that one, leaves in this one, and landscaping rocks in that one. Over here we have cleaning up the creek. This group is walking on the stones, cleaning up trash as they go along. This group over here, this is called Clean Up on Aisle 9. At the grocery store, a large display of soup cans has been knocked over. So they have to work together to rebuild it. It's a giant pyramid. There are 20 cups on the bottom. Over here we have help crossing the road. So we have partners. One partner is blindfolded. The other partner verbally leads them through the course. The only items they have to go over are the balance beams. So they have to avoid the blue mats, which are cars. And we're saying the domes are potholes or roadkill. Here in Iowa, we have a decent amount of roadkill. All right. So again, this is called Serving Our Society. This group has gotten done before the music stopped and they reset. This group is halfway done, continuing on. They have 2.5 minutes a station, and then they have 30 seconds to transition. Maybe this idea or concept is something you could include into your curriculum. As always, thanks for watching.